Hey guys, welcome in this series of Django Simplified, Beginner's Guide to Building Web Application. So in this series, I will show you how to build web application using Django. So what are the things you learn? So what will you learn? You're building web application using Python and Django, and also understanding Django projects, model templates, and lots more. And we also create a real project step by step. So by the end of this series, you'll be able to create your own web application using Django. You will learn how Django's project works and how to handle database and render templates, and even eventually building a project step by step. So what is Django? Let me talk about Django. Django is a Python framework that helps you build web applications quickly and securely. It handles a lot of hard work for you, so you can focus on building your app. So many popular websites like the Instagram, the Pinterest use Django. They are a startup with Django. So why learn Django? When we talk about Django, Django is beginner friendly, and also meaning that even if you are new to web development, you can start building apps quickly. It has a huge community for support and learning. It opens door to real world projects and career opportunity. So what are the things you learn? We cover in this playlist. In this playlist, the first thing we cover is installing Django, creating your first project, and as well understanding the project structure. We'll also be doing the data and modeling, so which is the database. So the database migration. So this will look strange to you, but when we start, you're going to get used to them. So we also be doing the user interaction, and we do a lot of things, and we also build projects. So here is what we cover in this playlist. First, we install Django and set up our first project. Then we explore project structures, model templates, and forms, and later we learn authentication, and finally we build a mini project to apply everything we have learned. Okay, so in the next video we'll be installing Django and create your first application or your first project. By the end of this video, you have a working app running locally on your computer. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any video. Also comment below what kind of Django project you would like to build. Thank you for watching my video.